How to add or change background photo on REDnote. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through on how you can add or change a background photo on REDnote application. So if you're wondering how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow up and you should be able to add or change a background photo on your REDnote app. So let's just go ahead and look out on how we can do that. So first of all, open up your REDnote application. After that, head over to the Me tab at the bottom right corner. After that, head over and you can go ahead and tap on your profile right here. And when you head over there, you can scroll down a bit until you're able to find background photo. So in order to set up your background photo, you can go ahead and tap on it. And when you tap on it, you should be able to, if you have founded your phone number already, you can get an option to choose a background photo from your gallery, or either you can select a picture at the moment, and that is it. So just follow up the method and go to profile tab right there, and you should be able to change or add background photo on your REDnote application. So therefore, follow up the method and you should be able to do that very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.